We're here back at the IBIE booth here with Dawn Foods, and we are in the area what we're calling our donut theater, which is really, we've got a hot bakery running all day long for the show. We caught up here with Tim Busta with Dawn Foods. Tim, tell us a little bit about what you do here at Dawn.
So yeah, we come in at 6 o'clock each morning, and we're making donuts fresh for the show. All of our cake donuts are being made from our mixes, and we're, on the used to raise donuts, we're using our ready to finish donuts. So we just warm those up, we can fill them and ice them, and basically we just want to talk to our customers, and everybody gets free donuts.
The best donut's a free donut, right? And so for those of you that weren't able to make it at IBIE, don't worry. We've got all the information on the products that you need for your bakery, dawnfoods.com/donuts. But Tim, we talk about partnership a lot with Dawn. How does our technical team partner with our customers to help them out in their bakery?
Yeah, as I said, we sell ingredients, so they have to know how to put those ingredients together and make this, the good donuts like we're making here. So actually during the show, a lot of people come to us and ask, how are you making that? How did you do that? We have a video screen so that they can see a zoomed in picture of the donut fryer and see how the donuts are being formed. But we have lots of conversations with, the customers saying, well, my donut's not doing this. How do I change that? And so, yeah, we're here to do that. And we, of course, when we're not at the show, we go out to their bakeries and we will help them do that out there as well.
Yep, you do the same thing. So store openings, getting new talent in, new bakers, making sure they're comfortable with product and how to get the most out of those mixes. And for us, it's what we say beyond the bag. It's beyond that bag of mix and that pail of icing. But before we go with one of our donut experts, Tim, I've got to ask you, what's your favorite donut?
Oh, that's easy. That's maple iced Pershing with pecans on top.
Awesome. I'm sure we've got that recipe online. So for all your donut needs to help your bakery be successful, visit us at dawnfoods.com.